Now that we've got one page looking pretty much like we want it, what we'll do is go through and start looking at the other content pages. So let's go to the first one first, this About page. And what we want to do is make it look something, again, something like this. So I'm going to have a big white box, but I'm going to dump the sidebar on these content pages. And then I'm going to have the big white box, and I am going to keep kind of like this big blue title, although I'm going to line mine up a little bit more. You notice I have quite a bit of padding here, and this doesn't seem to be moved over quite so much. But we'll do something like this. So to accomplish this, we'll do is come to our content page and wrap a div around this, all the content, and then we could start doing the styles to this, but rather than recreating the styles, we already have quite a bit of them here on our default page. And so to make these available, what I'm going to do is copy this rounded box and main box. Actually, I'm going to cut them out of here now that I've had them, and come and put them here on my master page in the style sheets here. So they'll be available to all the pages. So I'll drop this in here after rounded corners. And so I'm going to make this div a member of rounded box and main box. So we'll say class equals rounded box, rounded box and main box. So let's just save this and test this out. Take a look and see how it looks. Okay, so we're getting there on the first step, and let's look at it over here. Okay, good. So let's just make this heading now. Let's make it blue. And again, I think I'll do this on the master page. I'm going to make all my H2s. Although, again, I'm going to class equals content title. I'll just do this on the master page so all of them will pick it up. So after main box, we'll do content title. I'm going to say color. Right now I'll do color of blue, although let's come back here and actually make it match the blue. Let's see, which blue do we want? We want one of these. I kind of want the starting blue. Is that what I want? Let's go back and look on this home page. Let's just do, well, we don't want blue. I kind of want this mid-level blue right here. So let's make a copy of this, and we'll pull it into Photoshop and grab that color blue. And then I'm just going to add, oh, actually, I'm also going to go out here and, let's just do this over here. So we'll make a new one, paste that in there, and then pick a blue here. So kind of want that mid-level. And this looks like it's, we'll just copy this, paste it in over there. Oops. So rather than saying blue on the master page, I'll paste that color blue in. So now we can go back to the About page. Okay, so that's a nice color blue. And then I'm also just going to grab a video from here and grab the embed code, because I'm going to see if Scott wants to make a video of himself, kind of explaining what Runner Soul is about. So what we'll do is we'll go to the About page, and we will, oops, sorry, didn't copy that. We'll copy the embed code from here, paste it over here. And let's see, get rid of that because we've got an extra one. And then we'll, for the text, whatever Scott says, we will take that text and transcribe it and put it here. So it'll look something like this. So I have the video where Scott explains it, and then his text down here. So this is looking pretty good for the About page.